Okay, recipe for siakoy. 3 cups of flour and 1 pack of yeast and 2 tablespoons of butter and 5, I just use the brown sugar, 5 tablespoons of sugar and 1 raw egg and 1/2 salt, 1 cup of milk, and then ground cinnamon and sugar. Okay, that's the dough. Melt the butter. Okay, next is the sugar and the salt. Enough. Okay, so it's a little bit hot. Oops, sorry. Bring it here. Mix it. Okay, how hot it is? Not bad. And then I'm gonna put the yeast and sit away for 5 minutes. Mine is, after this, I'm gonna put it in bread machine, or you can do it by your hand. You can dough manually. Mine is, I put it in a bread machine. Now I set it in the bread machine, and then after 5 minutes, I will add the 3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Put the flour in it after 5 minutes. And I set it. Dough. Then start. Mix it. Mix and mix and mix. And after this, we're gonna put this in a bowl and let it rise for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, I think that's done for now. I'm gonna stop it. So, put it in here. Cover it with a towel. Cover it for 30 to 1 hour. We'll see later. It raised up, and then that's the second I punch the needle to release the air. And then that's the second time I let it rise. After that, I'm gonna cut that one into 16 pieces. That's the second time that I let that one rise, and it's already 9:32. I'll just let that rise for a little bit, and then I will cut it. Okay, that's done for right now. It double up. Maybe I can let that one rise like here, but it's 10 o'clock in the evening, and I put this one in a big bowl. Okay. Pinch the end and then put it like that. Okay, that's how I do it. And I'm gonna finish this Siakoy. Okay, I'm gonna put the okay, and then I'm gonna wait it until the other side is brown and then flip it. Okay, I fry it. And I think that's done. And then let it drain first. Okay, it's done, and I mix the sugar and the cinnamon, and then put it. Okay, put it like that. There it is. That's a Siakoy. Thank you for watching, and please put your thumbs up if you want to follow my blog. Thank you. Just get done cooking Siakoy. I got 16 Siakoy and 15 left. I'm eating the other one. I just taste it. Yummy. Bye bye.